Come on, boys. Are you having fun in the snow, gentlemen? Attaboy, Forrest. You give her, buddy. I've got some lambina for you guys for a treat. Nope. Huckleberry, you almost fell on the ice, you bonehead. You're a goat. You're supposed to be sure-footed, you dipstick. Hey! That's enough. Hey! Huckleberry, you settle down. Alright, I've got the snacks right here. Huck, out of the way. You're annoying. Huck, out of my way so I can walk, please. Guys, listen. You're being very rambunctious. Hey. Okay, oh my gosh. What are you, a pack of piranhas? Hey, Brucey, that's not very nice. Oh, hello, Clyde. Hey, buddy. What a good bird you are. Thanks for coming to help, pal. Oh, let's break this water. Well, the boys can have a drink of water. All right, gentlemen, have a good night. Okay, Clyde. Come on, boy. I'm going to leave without you, Clyde. I'm locking the boys in for the night. All right, here we go. How far will I get before Clyde has a fit? Comes flying over to get me. Let's see. Bye, Clyde. Bye, buddy. I'm going home without you, bud. You gonna spend the night with the boys? Come on, boy. All right, then. See you later. Come on, Clyde. Hi. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Clyde, come on. I don't want you walking across the yard after dark. All right, whatever, buddy. Hello, Russ. Or Reggie. Got your name all mixed up. Hey, Reg, you want to go in there? Look at everybody in there. Oh, there's Clyde back. Good job, buddy. That was a good flight.